In this video, I will show you how you can hide the black dot from the screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, if you want to remove and hide this black dot from the screen of your Samsung device, now this black dot on the screen of your Samsung phone is the selfie camera. As you can see, if I open the camera app, then if I go to the selfie section, now if I place my finger over the black dot, as you can see, the selfie camera is not working, since this is the selfie camera of your Samsung phone. But if you don't want to show the selfie camera and if you want to hide it, then in that case, just go to settings, and under settings, just tap on display. Under the display settings, just scroll down and tap on camera cutout. And from here, just select the app in which you don't want to show the selfie camera. For example, I will select the calendar app, and from here, just select hide camera cutout. And after you do that, now if you go to your home screen and if you open the selected app, in our case, it is the calendar app. As you can see, it has placed a black bar over the selfie camera. And with this way, you will not be able to see the selfie camera while you're using a specific app. Now you can customize each app separately. You can either select auto, or you can hide the cutout completely in that app, or you can show the camera cutout. Just like that. If this is how you can hide the selfie camera of your Samsung device. But if you find a black dot anywhere else on the screen, like if you find a black dot at the sides or at the corners or even in the middle of the screen, then this can be a hardware issue with the screen of your Samsung phone. Just take your Samsung device to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can hide the black dot on the screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.